Ready to board the airplane.
Let's go. Hello, officer.
Hello.
Here's my passport.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you.
Now let's weigh your luggage. It's overweight.
Uh-oh.
Why it's too heavy?
My toys.
No. These are not allowed.
Huh? Okay.
You're good to go.
Hi, Jannie.
Hi.
You ready for your flight?
Yes.
Come on in. Hi, everyone. I'm Captain Jim.
Hi.
Buckle up and ready to fly.
Yeah.
Let's go. Bye.
Whoa, the city looks so small.
Wow.
No, Jannie. Pick up your trash.
Uh-oh. Sorry. Hello, Uncle Max. Yeah, I'm on the plane right now.
Huh?
Are you at that costume party?
Jannie, no phones on the plane.
That's right.
Okay.
Buckle up. We're about to arrive. We arrived.
Thanks, Captain. Bye.
When I grow up, I want to be a pilot like you.
Very good, Jannie. Study hard.
I will. Bye.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Buckle up. Ready to take off.
Huh? Ah!
Eric, no guitar on the airplane.
Huh? Okay.
Huh? Eric, again? There are many rules we need to follow on the airplane. Eric, if you want to listen to music, use headphones.
Thank you.
We arrived!
Thank you, pilot. Bye.
Bye! Welcome aboard! Buckle up!
I like your hairstyle. Thank you. Are you also going to a rock concert? Oh, yeah! Let's practice together. Oh, yeah! I love rock music! Rock music!
Quiet!
Yeah! Huh?
No loud music in the airplane.
Okay, I'll just listen to rock. I will sleep. Huh? Captain!
Huh? Hello? Hello?
Yeah?
Don't bother people in the airplane.
Okay, sorry.
We're arriving. Buckle up! Did you enjoy the adventure, kids?
Yeah! Come on, hurry up, Ellie! Luckily, we're on time for the airplane, Ellie.
The airplane already took off. Look!
Uh-oh, we're late.
Aw, how can I go to talent show?
Don't worry, kids. There's another flight in 6 hours.
Huh?
6 hours? Too long!
Sorry.
We're gonna be late for the show.
Yeah, Jannie, because you're always forgetting your stuff.
Wait, what's wrong? I forgot my passport.
Jannie.
Where's my passport?
Jannie, found it!
Thank you. Let's go, Ellie. Oh no, Ellie! Forgot my luggage.
Jannie.
Sorry. Where did I leave it? Okay, Ellie, it's right there. Let's go. Sorry, Ellie. But you also dropped stuff on the way here.
I'll do better next time.
Okay.
But now what should we do now, Jannie?
I don't know.
I worked so hard for it.
Ah, I have an idea.
Hi!
Hi.
What do we do here, Jannie?
Buy an airplane.
Huh?
Yep. Auntie Beth, do you have any? I do. Ta-da!
Airplane! Oh, yeah!
Yeah, oh yeah! This airplane can take you many places! Wow, beautiful city!
Oh, look! Wow, amazing!
Not only that, it also can talk!
Huh? Really?
Of course, I'm a magical airplane.
Oh, so cool! Yep, I'll buy it.
Thank you!
Hold on, kids.
Huh? What's wrong?
I need gas for flying.
Oh, I forgot! Sorry, let me get it! Huh? Uh-oh, no more gas!
So I can't fly. Sorry.
Oh, sorry, kids!
It's okay. Can we use these cars? Or that red car?
Sorry, they sold already!
How can we go to talent show?
Yeah.
Ah, wait here, kids! I'll be back!
Okay.
I'm gonna make a special bike for the kids!
Awesome!
All done! Ta-da! Hi, Miss Angel Bike! Hi, Auntie Beth! Can you take me to my store now? Sure! Get in! Thank you! Miss Bike is on the way!
Auntie Beth, you came back. Whoa, nice bike.
Yes, it's for you, kids! Hi, kids! Ready for talent show?
Yep, we're ready.
Then let's go!
Okay. There's only room for one person. And there's two of us with two luggages.
Uh-oh. Sorry, I don't have enough room for you kids.
Oh no.
Sorry, kid. How can we fix this? Ah! Mr. Bird!
Wait, who's Mr. Bird?
Yeah, right here, kids!
Okay.
Mr. Bird, Mr. Bird!
Oh, what's wrong?
Jannie and Ellie need your help for the talent show.
I would help, but I'm busy working on my garden. See? I just need to grow more fruits.
Oh, don't worry. That's easy. I can help.
Oh, thank you.
Your garden is so nice.
Thank you. All done. Thank you, Auntie Beth.
You're welcome. So can you take the kids to the talent show now?
Sure, let's go.
Kids, I'm back.
Hi.
I'm here to take you to the talent show.
Wow. Thank you, Mr. Bird.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Okay. Ellie, look over there. I see another rainbow.
Wow! I see a horse!
So cool.
Look over there, Jannie!
Wow. Mr. Bird, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I have to go now. Good luck with your show. Bye.
Bye. Come on, Ellie, I gotta go. Hi, Uncle Dad.
Hello.
Ready for the talent show.
Okay, then show me.
If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, aspirations are a joke. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands.
Wow. So talented. You passed.
Yay!
Now you can sing in my band.
Yay! Thank you, Uncle Zach.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go! We're about to launch into space.
3, 2,
1. We're going into space. Awesome! Oh no! My plane! It's broken! Sorry, Alex. It was an accident. Let me help you fix it, Alex. There's my airplane worse. It was an accident.
What's going on?
Wendy broke my toy. Now we can't fix it.
Sorry.
Ah, here's my jetpack. Really? Yeah. Whee! Whee!
Hey, Alex, can you slow down with my jetpack, please?
Hey, Wendy! Whee! My jetpack! Oops, sorry, Wendy.
Well, you should have played more carefully.
This couldn't have happened if you would play more carefully. Yeah, but it was an accident. Mine too.
Oh, what should I do? this is not gonna turn out well. Oh, I know what to do. Hi, Auntie Amy.
Hi. What brings you here, Uncle Max?
I'm looking for an airplane toy and a rocket toy. Do you have any?
Sorry, Uncle Max. I don't have the toy, but I have these.
Wow, this is even better than what I was looking for. How much?
$100, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Is everything okay, Uncle Max?
Yeah, I don't know how to put this together.
Don't worry, Uncle Max. I'll help you put it together.
Safety first.
Let's get started.
All right, the rocket's done.
Awesome. Let's move to the plane.
Wow. I think this is good for now. Let me help Auntie Amy.
Finally, we're done.
The kids will be really surprised.
I'm sure they'll like it.
Thank you so much, Auntie Amy.
You're welcome.
Bye. Surprise.
Wow. Awesome. Is this for real?
Yeah. This is for you too. Do you like it?
Yeah, thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome. Come on, let's try out the rocket first.
Sweet. Let's go.
Oh, wait. Put these on before we go.
Wow, we got our own spacesuit. Sweet. This is the best day ever. Cool.
Ready, kids?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ready to take off. Put your seatbelts on. To space we go. Whoa, space.
Hey, let's get out.
Okay. Wow, this is so fun. Yeah, I love being in space.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Wait, Uncle Max, you don't have a helmet. How are you breathing in outer space?
Oh, good point. I need my helmet.
Uncle Max, hello?
I need my helmet.
Uncle Max, Uncle Max.
Oh, hi, Auntie Amy.
Hi. Ooh, pretend play I see. Well, you forgot your helmet at my store.
Oh, thanks. I was looking for this.
Have a great pretend play.
Bye. Much better.
Oh, you have a helmet now.
Yeah, Auntie Amy just dropped it off for me. Let's play catch and stay.
Yeah.
Ready for the fastest ball ever? It's coming.
I'm ready, Uncle.
It's coming. It's really fast.
It is. Yeah, it's coming really fast, Uncle.
Anytime now.
Uncle, can we play with the airplane now? Good idea.
Yeah, let's go.
Welcome to Alex's Skyway Airlines. Come on in.
Cool.
Everybody, please buckle up before we take off.
Always buckle up.
Safety first. Let's fly.
This is the best view ever.
Yeah. Wait, stop the plane. Huh? What's wrong? Look over there. There's so much trash in the ocean. Oh no, we have to clean up. Hold on, everybody. We're turning around.
Whoa.
Wow, there's so much trash here. Do not